Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Our earth is much more worth. Everywhere we look, we can see the beauteous forms of nature. In nature, there is no place for futile things, but in our world, there is no place for nature, for pureness. In fact, we feel much more happy when we do futile things like smoking. We feel drugs are all the time rejuvenating our senses. We don't know that we are losing our mental activity. We are losing our inner talents in a reckless manner. Still, we are doing bad things all the time. Still, we don't know we are getting involved in a crucial crime. I know our way of living is of a higher level, but not so much higher to get burned in cigarettes' fire. If smoking is giving nothing to us, then why are we doing it thus? Parents now criticize their children whether they are involved in a bad activity, whether they are involved in the usage of drugs. They feel that our children will leave those bad things that they had been doing for some time. They feel that our children are innocent. If we had to get a win over their confidence, then please try to save your father's honor and pride. And please try to love nature in a way of desirefulness.